Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are safe and fine. So children, today we have our EVS class again, and today we are going to learn about clothes we wear. Today's topic is clothes we wear. And children, do you know why do you need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body, and we need clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. We need clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. And children, do you know different kinds of people wear different types of clothes? Like girls wear frock, capri, top, skirt and tunics, and boys wear shirt, shorts, t-shirt, etc. And men wear shirt, t-shirt, trousers, coat, kurta and pajamas. And women wear salwar suit, sari, gowns, jeans and trousers. Okay. Children, do you know we wear different kinds of clothes in different season, and these clothes are made up of different materials. So today we will discuss about each in detail. So first is summer season. It is very hot in summer season. During hot summer we wear cotton clothes. Which clothes? Cotton clothes. Because cotton clothes protect us from heat and humidity. They are light and keep us cool. Okay, they are light and keep us cool. And cotton clothes also absorb weight so that we feel comfortable. So children, now let us take a look at the things that we use in summer season, like frocks, skirts, shirt, t-shirt, shorts. There are some clothes that we wear in summer season. Okay children. Now next is winter season. During winter it is very cold. So during winter we wear woolen clothes. What type of clothes? Woolen clothes. These clothes protect us from cold and chilly winds and keep us warm. We wear woolen clothes like sweater, coat, gloves, cap, scarf and jackets. These clothes keep our body warm and protect us from cold weather. Okay. Next is rainy season. I know children, you are all like rainy season. And when it's rain, what we wear? Yes, we wear raincoat and gumboots. Raincoat and gumboots. And we also use an umbrella. Raincoat and umbrella protect us from getting wet. Children, we wear new and colorful clothes on special occasions like birthdays and festivals. We wear new and colorful clothes on special occasions like birthdays and festivals. And we wear special clothes to school. It is called uniform. So children, what is called uniform? We wear special clothes to school. It is called uniform. Look at the picture children. This is called uniform. Okay. And some people wear uniform while doing their duties. Some people wear uniform while doing their duties. They are police officer, army officer, pilots, air hostess, soldiers, nurses, postmen, lawyer, etc. And children, we should take good care of our clothes. We should take good care of our clothes. We should wash and iron our clothes regularly. We should wash and iron our clothes regularly. Some special clothes need to be dry cleaned. Some special clothes need to be dry cleaned because these clothes made up of silk or wool. These clothes made up of silk or wool. That's why these clothes need to be dry cleaned. And gentle soap or washing powder should be used to wash clothes. What kind of soap and washing powder? Gentle soap or washing powder should be used to wash clothes. We should dry wet clothes in the sun. We should dry wet clothes in the sun. And the clothes should be kept in a clean cupboard. The clothes should be kept in a clean cupboard. And we can protect our clothes from insects by keeping naphthalene balls or neem leaves with them. So how can we protect our clothes from insects, children? We can protect our clothes from insects by keeping naphthalene balls or neem leaves with them. Okay, now you just read the chapter properly and let's revise. We need clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Number 2, members of a family wear different clothes. Members of a family wear different clothes. Number 3, we wear different clothes in different season. We wear different clothes in different season. And last one, we wear special clothes called uniform to school. Okay, children? So you learn the chapter properly. Okay? Bye bye, children. Take care.